And guys, as you can see, my credits and points are rising up right away. The first thing we need to do is to enter our in-game username. Make sure to enter the real one, don't make mistakes. That's right. And the second thing we need to do is to select the platform we are using. In my case, it's iOS, and click on the continue button right there. Right now, we need to wait a couple of seconds for the server to load our data. You don't need to give your password. This is 100% safe, guys, and you won't get banned. So the second step is how much credits you want to get. Yeah, I will go with the maximum number right there. And right after that, you need to choose how much Call of Duty points you want to get. I'll go with the maximum number again, and now we need to wait a couple of seconds for the tool to do its job. So let's wait a couple of seconds for the server to load our data and prepare our credits and points right away. So guys, since there is a tons of people using this tool right now, instant delivery is blocked right now. You won't get points and credits instantly, but I will show you how you can bypass that and how you can get them right away. So click on the verify now button right there, and you will be redirected to next page. On this page, it is clear what you need to do. So in order to get your credits and points instantly delivered to your Call of Duty Mobile, you will need to download 2 apps and follow the instructions below the apps. For example, download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. Download and sign up with your real email or whatever. So you will need to follow the instructions below the apps in order to make it work. Or you can wait between 12 or 18 days for your credit and points to come. So do whatever you want. I will now show you how to get instantly, and I will now download 2 apps from this list and follow the instructions below them. Those apps you install are from official App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device, of course, so you won't face any issues. Those apps are free. So let's head over and let's download this one. That's right, it is really simple, and right now this is the only working Call of Duty Mobile hack. You don't need to worry about anything. You will get your points and credits right away, and I will show you at the end of this video how I've got my credits and points without a single problem. So I'm now downloading the first app, and I will now go and download the second app. Let's go download this one. All I need to do for this one is just to sign up with my real email, confirm my email, and that will be it, guys. Okay, I'm downloading the apps. As you can see, those apps are from official App Store in my case. In your case, it may be Google Play Store, and those apps are free. So I'll now cut this part of the video where I'm downloading those 2 apps. I will then follow the instructions, open the first one for 30 seconds and sign up for the second one. And after that, I will go back to my Call of Duty Mobile to check if I receive my points and coins or not. So see you guys in a couple of seconds. And guys, as you can see, I opened the first app for 30 seconds. I registered to this app. And that will be it, guys. Right now, it is instant delivery, but it takes about 2 to 5 minutes for your credits or points to come. So I will be right back once I pass that 1 or 5 minutes, and we will see our Call of Duty points and Call of Duty credits rising up. So see you guys in a couple of seconds. Okay, let's go to the shop. Okay, and guys, as you can see, my credits and points are rising up right away. That is it, guys. This is the only working Call of Duty Mobile hack out there that will get you free credits and free points within seconds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below if you have any problems. Leave a like on this video so others can see that this is the only working Call of Duty Mobile hack out there. See you guys in some other video. Bye.